There we go. And it looks like we are live, and just going to see if we have the live YouTube feed up right now to where I can see myself. And we got one person joining us so far. So welcome. And I'm checking the live feed right now, and it looks like we are live. So what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Ricky Loves Weather. Thank you so much for joining us for our very first live stream that I never visioned ever having to do today. But we are going to be talking about a lot of weather information. I'm going to try and get through this in about 30 minutes because I got to get ready to work on some more videos, but this is just a test run, to see if we can get more people to join us here. Yep. And don't forget a reminder, our live chat right here. If I could point to it on the live feed right there. Our live chat is open right now. It is ready for your comments. Talking about weather. If you have any weather related questions during this live stream, you can let me know in the chat as well. We're going to be talking a lot about these two tropical storms that's making its way across the country. Let me rephrase this: making its way to the U.S. Already, and it's already forming in the Gulf Coast right now, Gulf of Mexico right now, and then one out in the Atlantic Ocean. So while we wait on more people to join us here, let me see what's going on. Don't forget, if you're new to this channel and you want to see more live streams like this, go ahead and please hit that red subscribe button down below. Red subscribe button only takes literally about a few seconds to do all that good stuff, and then let me know in this live stream that you have subscribed, so that way we can get out of this 11 subscriber drought that's going on right now. See, I use a little weather term in my subscriber count right there. You know what I'm saying? Because we've been at 11 subscribers and we have not seen a gain from this channel so far. But we're going to get to all that coming up. We'll put the subscribers behind us for now, and then we'll focus on the weather as well. So we hope everybody's enjoying your Sunday so far. It is Sunday, August 23rd of 2020. 3 minutes of introductions and all that good stuff, and we're just going to get right into the weather right now. So I'm currently keeping a close eye on the latest information from the National Hurricane Center, and we are already seeing right now is tropical storm, and this is actually as of 10:57 a.m. Eastern time in the U.S. It is just after 12:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time in the U.S. right now. And what we are seeing right now is possibly a chance to see two hurricanes in one. I don't know if that's possible or not, depending on, how long it takes. But I am seeing two different kind of systems. And by the way, though, this is as of 10 a.m. Central Time for Tropical Storm Marco. Has a maximum sustained wind of about 70 miles an hour, moving north-northwest at 14 miles an hour. And then Tropical Storm Laura, as of 11 a.m. Eastern Time in the U.S. And both of these as of 11 a.m. Eastern Time in the U.S., except for the one in the Central Time Zone about 10 a.m. And then already just about 11 a.m. here on the Eastern Time Zone as well. Maximum winds sustained right now 50 miles an hour, moving west-northwest at 21 miles an hour. It is currently in the Atlantic Ocean right now, just around Cuba and Puerto Rico areas right now. That is already moving its way closer to the state of Florida. I think this is what we are currently looking at right now, and this is from the National Hurricane Center that I have been keeping a close eye on ever since before we went live today. And I'm going to focus my attention really quick. And don't forget a reminder, we are going to take a look at this week's weather coming up in terms of what the temperatures are going to be for the week and all that good stuff. This is just a little test run of a live stream, so we're not going to be live for a long time today. But we're just going to, test this out a little bit and see what's going on as well. Let's see. So let's take a look at the 2-day tropical weather outlook from the National Hurricane Center. And we can already see, let me look through this. Okay. So this is from the National Weather Service, National Hurricane Center, Miami, Florida, as of 8 a.m. Eastern Time, U.S., Sunday, August 23rd of 2020. This is for the North Atlantic Ocean, Caribbean Sea, and the Gulf of Mexico. Tropical Storm Marco is right now located over the southeastern Gulf of Mexico, and Tropical Storm Laura is located over Hispaniola. If I pronounce that, I think country correctly, then that's good so far. Tropical cyclone formation is not expected during the next 5 days. So basically what they're saying right now is that there's a lot going on in terms of these weather-related information right here, but I don't see much in the way of information as well. But I do know this. And sorry if this is not a good live stream today so far. This is just a test run. But I do know so far that we only have one person that's joining us right now. So thank you to whoever's watching today. Appreciate that. So right now we're going to turn our attention away from the tropical storms. I should retitle this video right now. Test run. So let me do that right now so you guys can know what's going on, because I wasn't preparing. I was preparing this live stream, but I wasn't ready with a lot of information. So with that being said, so hold on. There we go. So yeah, this is just a test run. The title has just been changed during this live stream. So if you're watching this a little later today, this is just a test run because we're trying to see if we can actually get some more information for the weather out of whatever is happening right now. So right now we're currently at 11 subscribers. I'm checking the live subscriber count right now. We're going to look at some weather models and sorry about that, guys. I am really sorry. I had a little itch right there, so I apologize. Right now, I'm gonna zoom in on the weather models. I'm using this through Ventusky, which, by the way, I'm gonna post a link in the live chat right now. Hold on. Let me do this. There we go. So if you guys want to check out that website for weather model information, check it out in the chat. It's right there. It'll take you right over there as well. You can see what's going on. You can do weather predictions. You can let me know what's going on as well in the comments when this video is not live. Or better yet, just let me know on Twitter at RickyWeather20. There should be a link on this page somewhere, probably in the About section. You can check me out there, and you can make your weather predictions there really good as well. All right, take a look at, we're going to take a quick look right now because I want to get this done within 20 minutes. Weather models right now do show Tropical Storm Laura right now. That's all. Let me get this page re-updated. This is as of 12:47 p.m. Eastern time in the U.S. It is approaching the country of Cuba right now. It just left Port-au-Prince, Haiti, Santo Domingo, and San Juan, Puerto Rico. Just left there. It is making its way to the northwest, so it will definitely possibly hit Florida. Checking out temperatures right now prior to this tropical storm. Miami, Florida right now at 88 degrees. And in Port-au-Prince, Haiti right now, 79 degrees Fahrenheit. And over in San Juan, Puerto Rico right now, it is currently about 91 degrees. So that's good news. That's bad news when it gets really hot there. It is really, really a challenging time. Then we are taking a look right now where Tropical Storm Marco is located in the southeastern Gulf of Mexico right now. It is pushing its way toward the southern coast of Louisiana. And to all the viewers that are joining us from that state right now, my prayers going out to you guys that hopefully Louisiana does not see a lot of damage out of this. But it's 82 degrees right now where the storm is currently located right now. It is circling a little bit. The winds are going around in circles. That's because of that hurricane already in the southeastern Gulf of Mexico. Taking a look at our weather here in the state of Ohio, I want to zoom in to where the state of Ohio is right now. We're already seeing temperatures already in the 80s right now, but some of us in Ohio are in the 70s. Columbus, Ohio right now, 79 degrees as of 12:49 p.m. Eastern time in the U.S. But if you go northeast toward Akron, Ohio right now, about 84 degrees, and then down toward the Canton, Ohio area where our studios are located, 82 degrees Fahrenheit right now. Maybe I should have not went too far with that detail, but 82 degrees in Canton, Ohio, home of the Pro Football Hall of Fame. And then out toward Cleveland, Ohio, about 81, 82 degrees. And if you go out west toward Toledo, Ohio right now, 85 degrees. Down toward, so we're probably going to be staying in the low 80s, maybe upper 70s, low 80s in spots across Ohio, but that's good news there so far. Looking at the radar right now, we are already seeing not much in the way of rainfall. I do see some showers and storms possibly going to pop up within the next few hours, but it's not really going to be a stormy day today. I'll be surprised if we get any reports of possible severe weather out of this, but the state of Ohio is under a marginal risk of severe weather, which means marginal means you're at a 1 out of 5 risk of getting severe weather for the state of Ohio as well. So that is something to keep a close eye on if you're outside today or planning to go outside a little later today. Definitely keep your eye to the sky because you never know, it could pop up wherever you're at. Take a look at the satellite right now. We do have, looking outside right now, and I do see some sunshine starting to make its way through the clouds. It's still cloudy in spots, Speaking of the clouds, we are seeing a lot of cloud cover right now. About approximately 0% cloud cover right now in where our studios are located, but I do see a lot of cloud cover starting to form outside. So definitely something to keep an eye on for. Now, in terms of thunderstorm activity, according to the radar, there was nothing popping up, but we do have some storm activity making its way into the state of Ohio. I do believe right now, but like I said, there's going to be some storm activity making its way across the state of Ohio within the next few hours. Now, take a look at some other weather models right now. We are seeing that we do see a lot of storm tracks making its way from the south, from Tennessee, all the way up through Kentucky, into Ohio, and making its way into Pennsylvania. There's even some reports of thunderstorm watches right now. Not severe thunderstorm watches, but thunderstorm watches right now in Canada, around Ottawa, Canada, but not far enough from Toronto, Canada, Ontario, Canada, and but that's just a little something I wanted to let you know about. Let's see here, what else? We do know that Tropical Storm Laura will be making its way here to the state of Ohio coming up on Friday. So Friday's weather, and when we take a look at the latest temperatures and what the forecast is going to look at for the next 7 days, we will talk about where this tropical storm is going to be making its way here to the state of Ohio. Now, speaking of that, before we get into all that, let's talk about humidity, because humidity right now, currently at about 50%. I would say about 50%, but if you go south toward West Virginia or Kentucky, you'll probably see relative humidity levels at about 60 to maybe 70%. This is as of right now, 12:53 p.m. Eastern time in the U.S. And right now, let's take a look at our temperatures for the next 7 days. And this is as of 5 p.m. Eastern time in the U.S. We're looking at today, though. We're going to see temperatures already approaching 90 degrees. It's going to be a hot one out there today here in the state of Ohio. And so if you're heading out today, definitely have that water ready to go, something to stay hydrated today. Looking ahead to tomorrow, on Monday, August 24th of 2020, another hot one, but it's going to be closer to about 90 degrees. We're looking at temperatures in the mid 70s, low to mid 80s, but still it's going to be a hot one out there as well. Looking ahead, though, if you're in the state of Ohio, out toward Northwest Ohio, you could be looking at temperatures at 95 degrees over in Northwest Ohio right now, about west of the I-75 corridor. You're looking at temperatures from 95 to near 100 degrees for Tuesday, the 25th of August of 2020. But then going right down to southern Ohio right now, I would say most of Ohio will be around 90 to maybe as high as 95 to maybe 100 degrees. But from Toledo, Ohio, all the way down to about Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, upper 70s to low 80s. So definitely a lot cooler that day. So definitely something to keep an eye on. Looking ahead to Wednesday, August 26th of 2020, we're looking at temperatures already cooling down. We're going to stay in the 70s to upper 70s to low 80s coming up on Wednesday, the 26th of August of 2020. Thursday, August 27th of 2020, that's when temperatures start to warm back up again. We're going to see temperatures near 90 degrees here in Ohio. So I would say on a range level, I would say between 82 and about 95 degrees coming up on Thursday, August 27th of 2020. Friday, August 28th of 2020 is when Tropical Storm Laura will be making its way into Ohio. We're going to see temperatures already upper 60s to about mid 80s. So about 69 to 85 degrees we're looking at in that range on Friday, August 28th of 2020. And then looking ahead to Saturday, August 29th of 2020. We got those showers and storms rolling through. We'll get to that coming up very shortly. We're looking at temperatures already. I would say in a range from 70 degrees to about 79 degrees in that range as well. So looking ahead to how much rain we're going to get coming up on the 23rd of August of 2020. Not much in the way of rain. I think most of Ohio is gonna stay relatively dry. So that's good news there. Looking ahead to Monday, August 24th of 2020. There will be in spots for the Canton, Ohio area. I would say keep an eye to the sky on August 24th of 2020 because there could be some possible rain showers in the area. I would say pretty much toward the late afternoon, early evening hours. And this is as of 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time in the U.S. And then coming up on August 25th of 2020, this is where I see concerns because we do have a line of showers and thunderstorms that will be making its way into the area coming up. So showers and thunderstorms on Tuesday, August 25th of 2020, going from a line from near Grand Rapids, Michigan through Toledo, Ohio. But the heaviest of the rain, though, will be from Toledo, Ohio, down toward Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Other than that, everyone else here in Ohio, from Columbus, Ohio, to Dayton, Ohio, to Cincinnati, Ohio, will stay dry as well. Wednesday, August 26th of 2020, looking at these weather models. The models are telling us right now that those storms that I mentioned from Columbus, Ohio, Dayton, Ohio, Cincinnati, Ohio, will stay dry. We have a line, most of us from Toledo, Ohio, through Cleveland, Akron, Youngstown, Ohio, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, will stay relatively dry. But from Kalamazoo, Michigan, to south of Grand Rapids, Michigan, there will be from south of Grand Rapids, Michigan, near Kalamazoo, Michigan, down toward southern Ohio, through Indiana and into Pennsylvania and West Virginia and Virginia over there. We're going to see some showers and thunderstorms. Thursday, August 27th of 2020, we're going to be seeing more of in the way of storm activity, but more rain as Tropical Storm Laura makes its way up to the Midwest. And then Friday, though, August 28th of 2020, we are keeping a close eye on these storms popping up. I do see some storm activity making its way into Ohio, but I think we're only going to see about maybe 0.3 of an inch of rain coming up on Friday the 28th. And then Saturday, August 29th of 2020, I do believe we're going to stay relatively dry. We'll keep the rain to the south. Other than that, that does it for our weather video for our first live stream. We only had one person joining us today, and I got done right under 30 minutes. So that's good news there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns about this live stream today, you can let me know on Twitter at RickyWeather20 on Twitter, and I will try my best to answer your questions. All right. Thanks for joining us, and join us very soon for another Ricky Loves Weather video, and then we'll see you next time. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and we'll see you soon.